Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today I am going to make some tender, juicy, and of course, some flavor-rich curry goat. Come over to my kitchen. Let's go make some curry goat. The powder season I'll be using today on my curry goat are seasoned bouillon, sage powder, cumin powder, some minced allspice, and some turmeric. Over here we have some curry season paste. This is a curry paste that have almost everything you would want in your curry dish. But of course I'm going to go ahead and have some fresh ingredients and some extra curry powder. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. That's about 3 chopped scallion, a medium-sized onion, that's some fresh ginger and minced garlic. Here we have about 1 kilo of goat meat that is already washed and cleaned from all the excess fat. It's time to add our season. So first I'm going to add my seasoned bouillon. This is about 2 tablespoons. Depends on your salt intake. I would advise you to start out with about 1 tablespoon of seasoned bouillon. And here goes the sage, the cumin powder, the crushed allspice. That's the turmeric. There goes our curry powder. That's our chopped scallions. Our chopped onion. Our garlic. And our ginger. Last but not least, our curry paste. That's about 4 tablespoons. So now that we have all our season that we need, we are going to go in and rub all the meat together. You want to wear a glove to protect your hand from the stain of the curry. And if you are wearing nails like myself, that's a great idea also. So we want to keep massaging these pieces of goat meat until every piece is nicely coated. Once you are done, you can go ahead and leave this to marinate. You can marinate your goat meat for at least an hour. You can marinate your goat meat days ahead also, the day before or a few days. The longer you allow it to marinate, the greater the flavor will be. This right here is about 1 teaspoon of curry with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. So I am going to allow this curry to burn a little in some oil. So over here we have about a little bit more than 1 tablespoon of oil with about 1 tablespoon of butter. Here we had our mixture of curry and turmeric, and we are going to mix this. You want to be careful not to leave this too long. You want to be careful not to allow it to burn because it can burn quickly. We are just looking for a slightly change of color. So that's the color I'm looking for. You can see a light brownish looking color. So I will go straight ahead and add the goat. So we are going to add everything to the pot one time. We are going to give it a nice stir, and because goat meat is not easy to cook, we are going to add enough water to cover the meat. Curry goat is a dish that is enjoyed by many. Some people like to enjoy their goat meat with plain rice, and some people like to enjoy it with rice and peas. Drop a comment below and let me know, how do you enjoy eating your curry goat? What's your favorite dish? What's your favorite side dish with your curry goat? If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Share this video to your family and friends. And a big shout out to all my faithful subscribers and my faithful viewer. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Half hour later, here we are adding some diced pieces of potatoes, and I will explain to you the reason why I add the potatoes. Whenever needed, you can add extra water. Because the goat meat is hard, the water might evaporate faster than expected. So if you notice your water evaporate fast and your goat meat is not cooked soft as yet, go ahead and add a little extra water. So to boost up our curry goat flavor, around the last 10 to 15 minutes later, here I go ahead and add about 4 more tablespoons of that curry paste. See how that gravy is thick and nice? Remember the potatoes I had earlier? It all melts away in that gravy, allow it to look so thick and nice. So this is the final result of our curry goat. Soft and juicy, rich in flavor. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.